How to make money through cloud mining. Welcome to this video on how to make money through cloud mining. In this video, we'll cover the basics of cloud mining and provide some tips on how you can potentially earn rewards by mining cryptocurrencies remotely. Cloud mining is a process of mining cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others through remote data centers that allow users to rent mining equipment and receive rewards for their mining efforts. Here are some steps to consider when it comes to making money through cloud mining. Research. The first step to making money through cloud mining is to do your research. Do your research and find a reputable cloud mining provider. There are many cloud mining companies available, but not all are trustworthy or profitable. Look for reputable cloud mining providers with a good track record, transparent fees, and customer support. Choose your mining plan. Once you have selected a cloud mining provider, choose a mining plan that suits your budget and goals. The plan will determine the hash rate, the amount of cryptocurrency you can mine, and the duration of the mining contract. Set up your account. After choosing your mining plan, set up an account with the cloud mining provider and deposit funds. You will need to provide a cryptocurrency wallet address to receive your mining rewards. You can monitor your earnings through the provider's dashboard. Start mining. Once your account is set up and your mining contract is activated, the cloud mining provider will start mining cryptocurrency on your behalf. You can monitor your earnings through the provider's dashboard. Manage your earnings. As you mine cryptocurrency, you will receive rewards in your account. It's important to manage your earnings and decide whether to reinvest them into the mining plan or withdraw them to your personal wallet. Remember, cloud mining is not a guaranteed way to make money, and there are risks associated with investing in any type of cryptocurrency. It's important to do your due diligence and research before investing in cloud mining.